Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear brothers, I wish you a blessed and acceptable Ramadan. Today, we are going to continue with you our conversation about our grandfather Serigne Afia Buso. We will talk about his name, birth, study, and something like that. So, let's start by his name and attribution. He is Ahmad Nyang, known by Serigne Afia Buso, son of the ink and brave man Ahmad Buso, known by Serigne Busobe, the uncle of Sheikh Ahmad Bamba. Serigne Afia Buso is the uncle of Al-Hajj Muhammad Fadil Mbake, the second caliph of Sheikh Ahmad Bamba. Serigne Modou Thiaw Buso told that Sokhna Mati Nyang was the wife of Serigne Ousmane Sy, the father of Serigne Al-Hajj Malick Sy, and she gave birth to Sokhna Fatima Sy, who passed away in her youth. And after that, she became a wife for Serigne Busobe and had Serigne Afia Buso. Birth. He was born in Afia Salum, and it was said in Afia Jolof within the year 1284 Hijri, 1864 Miladi, and it was said something else. He was named by Ahmad Nyang, the father of Abdu Sokhna Kumban and Mor Sokhna Kumban. It's said that Sheikh Al-Khadim one day asked him, "Whose name are you called?" He said to him, "Afia Ahmad, the well-known man." The Sheikh said to him, "If you were born today, you will take my name." After that, Serigne Afia told him, "I will slay a ram and change my name to your adorable name." That's why Sheikh Ahmad Bamba was calling him Ahmad Nyang. Study. He received most of his Holy Quran and Sharia sciences studies at his father, also his older brother Serigne Mbake Buso, and it's said also that he has studied at Sheikh Ahmad Bamba also. So that's what we have for today, and thank you for following us in our page Serigne Afia Buso Family, and see you tomorrow inshallah. Thank you.